In this video, we are going to discuss the detection and removals of autocorrelation in regression model. First, we have to run our regression model in which GDP is the dependent variable and labor force is the only independent variable, and this is the regression output. With this output, we can observe the labor force is highly significant and positive effect on GDP, with the R square is 0.96 and adjusted R square is 0.95. Here we can see the Durbin-Watson, which is 0.37. As we discussed in previous lecture, that value of Durbin-Watson statistics range of Durbin-Watson statistics is 0 to 4. If dW is equal to 2, it means there is no autocorrelation. If Durbin-Watson is less than 2, it means it shows positive autocorrelation. If Durbin-Watson is greater than 2, it shows negative autocorrelation. Here we can see that the value of Durbin-Watson is 0.376, which is less than 2. It means there is positive autocorrelation. But for the severity of autocorrelation, we can apply serial correlation LM test. The hypothesis of serial correlation LM test is no autocorrelation. If prob value is greater than 0.05, if we consider the level of significance 5%, if we consider the 10%, it would be 0.1. If the prob value is greater than 0.5, it means we can reject H0. Which shows except H0, which shows no autocorrelation. if prob value is less than 0.05, it means we can reject H naught, which shows auto correlation in regression model. So how to apply a serial correlation LM test? View residual diagnostics, serial correlation LM test. Legs include, here we put 1. We are going to confirm first order autocorrelation, and then okay, this is our relevant value. F stats is 35 and prob value is 0.000. It means if prob value is less than 0.05, it means reject H naught, which shows autocorrelation in the model, which shows autocorrelation in regression model. Now serial correlation have confirmed the severity of autocorrelation in the model, so we have to apply some removals. Number 1, we should add some relevant variable, addition of relevant variable. Addition of relevant variable. Addition of relevant variable. In our work file, we have some additional variables like capital and foreign direct investment. Now we are going to add these variables as a removal of autocorrelation. Now we have added capital as an independent variable. This is our new regression result, and we can see that Dermo-Watson has improved from 3.37 to 0.85. It means we have added some relevant variable, but values also show here there might be positive autocorrelation, so we have to confirm from serial correlation LM test. So view residual diagnostics, serial correlation LM test, put 1 here for first order. Okay, then now the value of F statistics was 35 before, but now is 7.96, but prob value shows the significant value. It means we can reject the null hypothesis and there is autocorrelation in the model. It means one variable is not enough to add as a relevant variable. We have to add some other variable like FDI. We are going to add a new variable FDI. This is our new regression model, and this is our new regression model, and the value of Dermo-Watson is also improved from 0.85 to 1.28. Although it is less than 2 here, but it has improved after adding 2 relevant variable. Now we are going to confirm from serial correlation LM test about the status of autocorrelation. 1. Now the prob value is 0.10, which is greater than 0.05. It means we can accept H naught, which shows no autocorrelation. After adding 2 relevant independent variables, serial correlation LM test confirms that there is no autocorrelation in the model. Now the result shows the reliable result without autocorrelation. So this is the first removal. Now the second one, hack test. Let's suppose if researcher do not want to add any relevant or other variable in the model, and also researcher does not want autocorrelation in the model, so researcher should apply a hack test. How? We should go to estimate, options, put here hack, and then OK. Now this is the regression result after applying hack test, and it is free from autocorrelation. Now this is useless now. Devon Watson, after applying hack test, there is no need to check any removals, any detective measures or any removals of autocorrelation. So these are the two most applicable removals of autocorrelation. I hope this video helps you to understand the autocorrelation with EViews. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel TJ Academy. Thank you.